What is up and welcome to another video. Today is February 13 and it's Tuesday. Happy Tuesday everyone. And if you are wondering why Bitcoin dropped today, it's because the CPI or the Consumer Price Index is higher or hotter than expected, and we have seen the Bitcoin react to this and drop by 3% today. So I have prepared several charts, actually, several altcoins chart request. We're going to look at these altcoins today, major altcoins, some bonus charts as well. So if you are ready, let's dive right in.
All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, so if you are not aware why Bitcoin dropped today, it's because of the CPI report, and Bitcoin dropped by 2% on hotter than expected U.S. inflation report. So the CPI reading reduced expectation for interest rate cuts in the next months, weighing on risk assets such as crypto and especially Bitcoin. And this is the price right now. The price is hovering at around 48,500. So January Consumer Price Index report showed 3.1% annual inflation, higher than analyst forecast. So they are, I think, forecasted 2.9, and it was higher than expected. And majority, of course, reacted and sold some of their Bitcoin because Bitcoin is classified as risk asset. Bitcoin fell below 49,000 on Tuesday after a hotter than anticipated U.S. inflation reading weighed on interest rate cuts. The large crypto market by capitalization slipped about 2% to 48,700 from slightly above $50,000. And this is as well in line with my prediction about a possible shakeout. So today I'm going to share with you the previous price action, and there is actually a similarity, and I'm going to share with you the target for my short position, guys. And by the way, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. If you like this kind of content, smash that like. If you want to know my target for my BTC short, I could be wrong, guys. So don't FOMO into my trade. Past performance does not guarantee future result. So I will share with you today my target for my Bitcoin short position, and I'm going to tell you why I am shorting Bitcoin. Also, one bullish news for Ripple. Ripple to buy New York crypto trust company to expand U.S. options. So this is a bullish news for the Ripple company, and of course to XRP.
Let's go!
Standard Custody and Trust Co., which has a New York charter, will be latest acquisition to grow Ripple's regulatory qualification. So this is a bullish news for XRP, and to the XRP holders, just hang on because I think there will be good news this 2024, guys. I think they are going to settle. There is a higher probability that the Securities and Exchange Commission would settle the case, guys. I think it is going to get settled this year.
Let's go!
Hi to Andres Jaworski, Adja the Fixer, one of our members in our VIP Discord. Also to Crypto SW Follow. Thank you for joining me. Hello, chill followers. Nikhil, BTC, short target. No hate. Want to look out your target, main target. I'm going to share it with you today. So stick around, and I'm going to share with you my target short term and target for medium and long term. Please share DYDX chart from MTS. I don't think we have DYDX, but we'll write it down and we'll check it at the end of the stream. Hope you can check FET and 1 inch. Let me open my notepad. We have DYDX, FET, and 1 inch. Let's see if we can cover these altcoins today. Maybe we can do some live trades. Andrej Kazak is also joining us. Thank you so much. Really appreciate all your support. So Bitcoin, let's look at the Bitcoin chart right now. So this was the zone resistance, guys, that I was talking about yesterday. You know that we previously spoke about this inverse head and shoulders pattern here. Oh, it doesn't looks like. So inverse head and shoulders pattern here on the lower time frame, and the target of this inverse head and shoulders pattern will be back to this $49,000 as predicted previously on my previous videos. And yesterday, if you have watched my live stream, I have told you that I am still holding my short position, guys, and this is going to be my invalidation level here. So next zone resistance for Bitcoin, I don't want to close my short position because I think there is a high probability that I can survive my short position. That is why I keep on holding my short position. Hi there, Splantis21 from Discord. Also, welcome, Splantis21 or Spirus Athis. I think this is a Greek name. Let me know if I'm correct. Lydia M is also joining us, and amen. All my fellas.
All my fellas. All my fellas.
For Bitcoin, guys, this is going to be my invalidation here, $53,000. I'm still holding my short position, and if you are going to zoom out or zoom in rather, so on the daily time frame, we have this beautiful support trend line, and we have actually a confluence here, guys. So beautiful. Carl Henriquez is also joining us on YouTube, guys. So again, this is going to be my short-term target here for Bitcoin. Why? Because if you're going to look at the previous price action, I think there is a similarity on this chart right here. So Bitcoin could be forming this kind of price action here, similar to this one. So we have actually support trend line. So this is going to be my short-term target here, and a bigger support trend line here. So two targets. So for short-term, this is going to be the first target. And then look at this, a break of support, retest here. So if you missed the previous entry on top, you can still get into this level. And I think right now, I don't know if you can see this pattern, but look at this. Bitcoin formed a higher high here, higher high before, and also a V-shaped recovery here. V-shaped recovery formed higher high before going on a major correction. So let's see how many percent this one. This is around 22%. Now let's compare this previous price action to the current price of Bitcoin, or to the current chart of Bitcoin. So here, I think we are looking at a possible V-shape. So we have a V-shape recovery here. We have also a formation of higher high, this could still, I think it's still possible that Bitcoin would bounce back up here and grab those liquidity. Later, I'm going to share with you the liquidity level or liquidation zones for Bitcoin. It's a blessing. It's a blessing to be here. DDG on YouTube. So again, guys, we have similar price action. So short term, Bitcoin could drop back to this level here. So short term, this is going to be my target, guys. So if this doesn't hold, look at this. We have this beautiful support trend line. If this doesn't hold, and if you miss this entry here, then there is still a chance that this would drop and retest this previous support and probably move and revisit this major support trend line. And this is around $32,000. $32,000. And this is in confluence with the previous resistance and breakout point for Bitcoin. So watch out for this one. My short position in my Fair Desk account is still negative, but I have started to short it on my Binance account. So today I have actually shared my trade in the VIP or in Discord. And if you are watching, if you're joining us daily, guys, you know that yesterday I am still holding my short position for Bitcoin. So my initial, where's that post? Let me find it. I think it didn't post it. So let's go check out. Let's go check out our Telegram group, guys. So let me just bring it up here. One sec. All right. One sec. I'm trying to load Telegram. All right. Oh, okay. So we'll bring it up here. All right. So I have started to open. I have opened a short position at around 49,800. And right now the price of Bitcoin is trading at around 48,600. So this is still looking bullish for me, guys, but the oscillator here on the daily time frame is already in the overbought area. Not only that, Bitcoin is also hovering near this next zone support. And not only that, we have several confluence here. And also Bitcoin is at the 61.8 Fibonacci golden ratio or golden pocket. So this is how you use the Fibonacci retracement level, guys. So if we are going to measure, let me delete this one first. So you grab your Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci retracement level. Actually, I have modified this one, but the important levels here, you spot the swing high or the all-time high here on the daily time frame, and then you drag it up to the bottom, which is the $16,000. Yeah. So that's let's see, somewhere here. All right, so that's about right. So that's how we got this 61.8% Fibonacci golden ratio, and this is very important in any chart, guys. So usually if the price drop here, normally this is the best spot or the level that any chart or crypto would retrace, and this is the ideal short entry point. If you want to go on short, the ideal setup for this one in the lower time frame is you put your entry point here at 61.8 and you set your stop loss just a little bit below the 78.6. That should be the setup ideally, but also you need to consider the amount of risk, guys, because if we are going to do that on the daily time frame, that will be around 16% risk, and that is a huge risk, guys. So that is why you need to manage your risk as well. So for this one, for this trade, I'm still holding my Bitcoin short, and this is going to be my invalidation point here. So that will be around 6%. 6%. So I'm going to continue to hold. And again, I have DCA'd on my position. And right now, because of this inflation that came out, or the CPI report that came out higher or hotter than expected, then probably we might see a correction in the coming months. But I could be wrong, because right now, Fidelity and BlackRock is still holding their, or still continuing to accumulate and suck up all the Bitcoins in the market. So these are the big asset managers that are sucking up all the Bitcoin in the market. So right now, this is going to be my short-term target here. We have also a shorter support trend line here. So this is going to be the TP points for my Bitcoin. So this is going to be my TP1 here at 47. Let's say 47. TP points. So if you have like a 100% position here, TP1 I would close like 20%, and TP2 it can be somewhere here near the support. So around 44 or 45,000 is going to be my TP2, and TP3 is going back to this level here around the neckline and support, and in confluence with the order block level that will be around 42,300. That is my TP3 and short-term target, guys. But long-term, if we break this support here, if we break this 42,000 level, then there is a higher probability that we could even go lower up to $32,000. So that's my analysis, short-term and medium-term for Bitcoin. Again, I could be wrong, guys. This is just, I'm just giving you all the what I'm seeing on the charts. And also another one to support this analysis is if you're going to look at the liquidation map, we still have small liquidations at around 50,500. That will be around $400 million. But again, if you are going to look at this level here, we have higher liquidations at around 47. So we have a combined of 517 million here in the shorter time frame. But if you are going to zoom out on the weekly time frame, if you're going to zoom out, we have actually around 2 billion liquidations, long position liquidation at around 46,700. And that is in confluence with my short-term TP here, this shorter support trend line, guys, around 45 to 46,700. That is going to be my short-term target. Right now, this is still looking bullish, but again, we might see a correction and a final shakeout. So if you're going to zoom out the chart, look at this. If we can get this perfect correction from 50,000, 51,000 down to 32, that will give us approximately around 32 or 35%, guys. From the current price, that will be around 32% correction. And I think that is normal here. If you see this kind of correction here, 50% correction. Look at that before going up to the next all-time high. So it is still possible that Bitcoin would drop back to this level here. And also, this is going to be this will serve as a support, a strong support, guys, on the daily time frame, the 200 exponential moving average. Barbara Spencer, your best LR will go to 52K. Again, that is possible if you are listening. This is the next zone resistance for Bitcoin, $53,000. So Bitcoin, there is still a chance that Bitcoin would pump up to this level, guys. Look at this. We have this previous pivot points here at $53,000. So if you have missed my previous buy zone in long position, I went on long at $16,000. If you are following me on Twitter, guys, I have made this big calls previously. I've shorted FTT or FTX crash from 23 down to $1. And also, if you have missed my previous analysis, when everyone was calling for Bitcoin to go on a $10,000, I went long and I went all in at $16,000 and ride a wave up to the 40,000 level. And right now we are at 50, guys. So if you have missed this big calls right now, again, I could be wrong, but previous analysis does not guarantee future results. For now, you can assume whatever you want, but I'm showing you my cards. I'm shorting Bitcoin here at current level. Invalidation will be around 53,400 or 53,500. That is going to be my invalidation. If Bitcoin goes up to that level, then I have to cut loss and I have to accept my defeat. So that's it for Bitcoin. We'll move on to the next chart.
Let's go! All my fellas. 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 All my fellas.
All right, we have a lot of viewers today. We have also straight head. Big mistake. Wow, I could be wrong. Again, I could be wrong. LR and then dump. Arvin Giovanni, hello, joining us today. And also, if you ask me, we're going to wick the 5 EMA and push towards 52 to 53. I agree to that. There is still a chance that we might push up to 53,000 levels. But for now, all my indicators is showing that Bitcoin could be ready for a correction. Again, in the coming months, there's 2 months left for that final shakeout that I am predicting on my previous videos. All right, next one. If you want to take advantage of this dump, you can open an account in Bybit. And of course, you can get a 500 USDT. 500 USDT, guys. Where's my banner here? Let me just open it. So 500 USDT, guys. 500 USDT airdrop from Bybit. All you have to do is just to register, open an account, and hold at least a minimum of $100 and fill up this form, guys. Your request will be processed within 2 weeks of form submission. And of course, I need to announce the winner for $100 giveaway.
Let's go!
So Fair Desk $100 giveaway. And by the way, if you will open an account in Bybit, of course, Bybit needs a you need to verify your account in Bybit. And if you don't want any verification, you can open an account on Fairdesk. And today, congratulations to user ID 488756. You have won $100. It's already in your account. Check out your account. $100 is already deposited in your account. To qualify, all you have to do is just to create an account in Fairdesk. The link is on the description down below. And if you deposit $100 in your account, at least $100, it's either on Bybit or on Fairdesk, you will get an exclusive access into our Discord community, guys. 1 month exclusive access into our Discord community. So grab this exclusive giveaway, and of course, a chance to join our Discord. A tour, I think someone requested for a tour previously. So this was our trade setup here. As what you can see, we have seen the price wick and almost our stop loss almost got hit, but we survived the trade and hit the third TP here, which gives us 40% profit from the support zone here. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Congratulations to those who were able to get in. Next one is Sui. Again, I'm still waiting for this level here. This is going to be around 1.9 up to $2 area. A possible cup in handle. Beautiful cup here. Possible handle formation on this level. So this is going to be around 1.91 up to $2 area. Keep an eye on Sui's chart. Next one is Litecoin, guys. Beautiful, beautiful long position for Litecoin. So if you have missed the previous long entry here for Litecoin, another long entry was predicted at this level here. So this is around $69 to $70, and we have seen the price retrace. As what you can see, this was the previous pivot point here, and a beautiful rejection on the same level. So right now, there is still a chance that the price, if you're going to zoom out here, zoom out on the 4-hour time frame, we have this bigger, let's go check out the daily time frame. If you're going to check out the daily time frame, we have this bigger support trend line, and actually Litecoin loves to do this kind of wicks here, huge wicks to the downside. And it is, of course, better to trade Litecoin and smaller cap crypto, not Litecoin. This is one of the blue chips. But if you're trading micro caps, you will see a lot of wicks, and it is better to trade them in spot because you can avoid the liquidation. So that's for Litecoin. There is still a chance that the price would drop back to the support trend line and probably around $64. So I'm still preparing, by the way, my long-term portfolio. And once we see that final shakeout, I will share it with you here live. And I'm gonna even do a maybe a live. I'll do a live spot buy on majority of this altcoin. So be sure to like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell. All right, next one is Dent. Dent, we have hit the TP3 here, and still we are trading above. Look at this. If you're going to zoom out, this is a confirmed breakout, guys. Look at this breakout, retest of this support here, and right now we have hit the TP3. Actually, I've taken profit in most of my longs and moved my stop loss back to the entry point. So target remains the same, guys, up to this level here, 1166 for Dent. Next one, I think that's all. We're going to move on with chart request and Q&A. So let me know if you have any chart questions or clarifications. We'll do that in a few minutes.
All my fellas. All my fellas. All my fellas.
All right, so we have several chart requests here from DYDX. Someone requested for DYDX FET and 1 inch. So let's go check it out. Kalata Porps. I don't know what is Porps. I'm not familiar with it. Let's see if we still have time today. But we'll go check out DYDX or 1 inch from Crypto Carl Henriquez. Oh, this is Bitcoin. Where is 1 inch? One inch. I think we have a beautiful support trend line here and a previous bullish divergence here. A bullish divergence from 0.34, and this is playing out right now. So for 1 inch, let's see if we can maybe starting from this one here. Let's do this line here. All right, so a beautiful support trend line for 1 inch. Looks like a possible head and shoulders actually. This could be a possible head and shoulders, guys. Look at this one. So this level here, this could be the head, and we could be forming a right shoulder, and this could be the neckline here. Let me just hide this indicator. All right, let's delete that one. So here looks like we are forming a possible head and shoulders pattern. Let's go check out previous price action. Similar to this one here. So we could be looking at this possible head and shoulders pattern. So let's see, possible short here. Let's see the amount of risk, around 5%. Short-term target will be 11%. If 1 inch is going to drop back to this level here, that will give us around 11%. Let's go check out the indicators. So indicator right now, or the oscillator, is approaching the overbought area. And this support trend line is in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. And of course, with this order block levels. Let's go check out 4-hour time frame. But in the 4-hour time frame, this is looking super bullish here because of this cross, guys. This 50 exponential moving average crossing above. But again, we have another bearish divergence here. So the price could actually continue to move up to this level, up to 0.45. So 5% risk. 1-hour time frame. In the lower time frames, the chart actually is looking bullish. We have another bullish divergence here on the lower time frame. So probably will lessen the risk. We'll adjust the risk here. Move it a little bit higher. Let's go check out previous. This is a flip here. Go check out the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, the price right now is on the 50 exponential moving average. So we have a sell pressure here on the weekly time frame. And let's see. This is a little bit risky because looks like we have a 50% chance on this trade. Because if this weekly time frame here, let's try to see this candle. So February 12, this is a new weekly candle. This one closed below. February 12, that will end next week. All right. Let's do maybe 4% risk. I think that's okay. All right, so let's do this. This is going to be my short-term trade for one more. Let's find more confluence before we get into this trade. Let's try to check the Fibonacci retracement level. So this could still go up to 0.46. So right now we are on the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And this could retrace up to 61.8. So probably DCA short. So this is going to be my first short entry point for 1 inch at around 0.4496. And say for short, I would wait for the price to reach the 61.8, which is around 0.4696. So that will be my 2 levels. So this is going to be a zone, guys. If you don't know how to, let me just share it with you, I think. So probably this is going to be the first zone, guys. So zone short position for 1 inch for 3 to this level here, and safer is going to be at this 61.8. So these are the levels that you need to keep an eye on. If Bitcoin drop by 5 to 10%, majority of the altcoins are going to bleed really, really hard. I'm going to share this chart in our Discord, guys, under watch list. All right. Bro, can you tell me which coin I should buy if I have only $100? I want to invest long term. For $100, because you're not going to make much if you are going to invest $100 on Bitcoin. You're not going to make much because at current level, let's discuss this one. So right now, if you're going to buy Bitcoin at the current levels, Bitcoin right now is at 48,000. And if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, your $100, you're going to make 2x and you're going to make $200. But you'll have to wait for a long time so you can make $200. You need to wait for like a year or two. So I think if you have $100, in my own opinion, when I was starting, I was previously trading stocks, and in stock market you cannot bet like $1. You need to buy the entire number of stocks, guys. So if one Tesla is, I don't know the price of Tesla right now. Let's check. So if one Tesla is like for 500, let's say $500, you need to buy like a share. So how many shares would you buy? One share will be $500. Unlike in crypto, you can buy like a portion of it, but in stocks, you cannot buy like a portion of Tesla or a portion of MicroStrategy. So when I first entered into crypto, I thought that you need to buy the entire coin. So I was thinking, how can I buy Bitcoin at like 20,000? That is so like, I don't want to invest 20,000 in Bitcoin. But later I found out that you can actually buy a portion of it. So that's the beauty of crypto, guys, because you don't have to buy one share or the entire share, but you can buy a portion of it. So if I have $100, I would look into a micro cap. There is a huge chance that you would lose $100, your $100, you would lose it in some of the altcoins because you don't know what will be the future outcome or what will happen to the project. But there's also a higher probability that you would make $1,000 or even 50,000 if you get lucky in some of the altcoins. So it's very important that you need to check, or you can also there's lots of free money in crypto. If you know how to do airdrop, you can get easily $100. If you can find good project who's doing airdrop, you support a project, or you can also do other things like there is like crypto jobs but $100 I would look into micro caps, probably micro caps. And I have a list of potentially good micro caps that would make several X's in the 2024, 2025. So be sure, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and click that notification bell. I'm going to share those altcoins soon on the way up. Right now, the market had already made substantial gains from the initial run from 16,000 up to 50,000. But soon, once we get that major shakeout, then on the parabolic run, if you're going to zoom out, guys, we haven't seen that parabolic run yet. And if that is going to happen, most of the altcoins are just going to go crazy, guys. So be sure to do your own research about these altcoins and check out the background. Check out the white paper. Check out the founders. Once you see a really, really good project, then that's the time you can maybe divide that $100 into two, $50 into this micro caps, because that's the only way that you can make $1,000 or even $5,000. XRP. So let's do one last chart before we end the stream, guys. You have actually a lot of chart requests. API 3. We have also Solana. Trending info. I want to invest in alts. How to grow a small account. So again, that's it. All you have to do is just to find micro caps that would made several X's, or you can do also trading. If you're good in trading, then you can easily turn that $100 into 1,000, and then you compound it. You compound it slowly. If you cannot make your $100 into $200, you'll not be able to make your $1,000 into 100,000. So it's better if you're new into trading. in my own opinion, to start very small. You can actually trade like small amount, like $10. You can start with that. If you can make 20, then try to master that strategy and you compound it eventually. If you have this pattern of if you develop a skill on how to make these gains, and then you eventually compound and you make 1,000, then you slowly grow that initial capital and you slowly increase in time. That initial $10, you can increase it to 20 and eventually 100, and eventually you can go to 1,000 or one Bitcoin trade. So I think that's it, guys. We'll do one last chart before we end the stream. Let's go check out XRP because there's a good news about XRP. So XRP right now, this was the previous long, guys, and looks like XRP is breaking down from this previous support, guys. Look at this. And this was because of the, there was a one tweet last time about XRP that I think one founder of XRP was selling, and eventually, I don't know what happened to that news, but this was the effect of it to XRP's price. So right now, to me, this looks bearish. Look at this, guys. This support didn't hold. I was expecting a bounce from this level, guys. I was expecting a bounce. What happened to this? So I was expecting a bounce near the support trend line. And what we're seeing right now is looks like XRP. Let's open up the indicator. Looks like XRP broke out from this support. You provide good information while your subscribers are so low. I want actually my subscriber to remain low, guys, because if we reach like 25,000, 100,000, look at the big channels. They are not making money. All the majority of the big channels are not making money because once you gain enough followers here on YouTube, then that is not going to be like a good idea. If I'm showing you chart here to go on a long and I have 1 million subscribers, imagine those like 500,000 retails going on a long position. You will appear on this chart here. So that will be a huge liquidity, and the whales, the market makers, are going to hunt those liquidity levels. That is why majority of the big channels, most of the time, their trade doesn't play out. So as much as possible, I want to remain like small group that constantly make money is better than any huge group that doesn't make money. So going back to XRP's chart. So we have, looks like DYDX. I think we're done with DYDX. With DYDX. So again, XRP is looking bearish here. 200 exponential moving average, 50 exponential moving average, all acting as a resistance. And of course, this was the previous zone support, guys. Right now, XRP is trading below this one. So probably in the coming days, we might see a drop back to this level here. Around 12%. Hello, Chill. Could you check sushi fast? I have small profit on my spot position, but don't know if I should hold it or not. We have actually like, we have a lot of chart requests today. So for XRP, I think the price would consolidate here. because we have actually a very high order block here, and the oscillator is still looking bullish on the daily time frame. But all of these EMAs are going to act as a support. But keep an eye on this one. There's a bullish news for XRP or Ripple. Ripple is buying, or Ripple to buy New York Crypto Trust Company to expand US options. So this is a bullish news, and this could affect the XRP's price. So right now, I think XRP would go on a sideways probably here. So watch out for this two levels, support and resistance. This is around 13%, guys. Let me delete this previous one. Support and resistance. So keep an eye on this levels, 0.55 and 0.47. This is going to be a zone, guys. You want to take a snapshot of this chart, you can take it now. Let's go maybe last chart. Sushi. Let me check out my trade, by the way. I actually spent some of my crypto gains today. That is why I went on live pretty late, but it's actually pretty fun to spend crypto gains, guys. Also, spending or selling, taking profit is one of the best skills that you need to master if you are into crypto. That is, I think, the majority doesn't know. They don't know how to sell. They know how to buy the dip. They know how to huddle for long term, but they don't know how to sell. And that's the big problem in crypto, guys. Majority of the influencers and channels are not telling you how to sell, but they're just telling you when to buy this, go on a long. But selling is one of the skills that you need to master if you want to be successful in crypto, especially in trading. Who requested for? I think we have a lot of chart requests. So I cannot. This will be the last chart for today, guys. So thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support, and I think that's it. It's already 1 hour. We are over time. So we'll continue our chat in our Discord community, and if you want to join our free public Telegram group, I'm sharing most of my charts, TAs, and updates there. Feel free to join our free public Telegram group. The link is on the description down below. And if you have enjoyed the stream, support the channel by smashing that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good night and be safe. Bye.